All right, what's up guys? It's Aaron. Today we're in Green Hills and we're gonna be installing a stacked slate urn. Really excited about this one. I think they add a ton of interest to a property, especially a property as beautiful as this one. The homeowner here is an avid bird watcher and really into plants. So we'll show you some of the beautiful garden around here, and really just want to zoom in really quick and show you. This is the area that we're going to be working in. We've got it marked off. So we're going to set the camera down, start digging, and we'll show you some more footage. All right, so now we're going to install the basin. So there you have it, a medium stacked slate urn. This one's a crowd favorite. This one's also equipped with 2 uplights, an automatic dosing system, and an automatic water fill valve to make it super easy to maintain. The owner here had us install a pond in the backyard last year and then decided they wanted something additional in the front. Usually people start with a fountain in the front and then go for the big pond in the back. But they absolutely love it. Tell us what you think. So now we're going to install the basin. That didn't work. I'll just leave it rolling.
Let me get bloopers.
Yeah.